Hello. I've been thinking for a long time of what to ask if I was to get picked. And I kept answering my own questions every time I thought of one. So I thought I'd ask the one that I can't answer, and that is why.
Oh, sure, give us the hard one.
Yeah. Why? Like, on the deepest level.
Say again, why? What?
Why is the universe? Just why? It's like the first question you ask as a child, but then it's unanswerable.
Well, the basis of everything that exists is freedom. Freedom to think. No matter who the thinker is, freedom is the basis. The result of this experience in life is expansion, but the why is for the joy. As you stand in this basis of freedom and you care about the way you feel, so you are reaching for the best feeling thought that you can find from where you stand in what you're perceiving about life. As that is your dominant quest to find the most joyful thought that you can find, you'll come into alignment again and again. And then the rush of energy in the expression of your expansion is just nearly unspeakable. And that is so much fun. To be focused here in your physical body and not know that you are vibrational and not know that there's a larger part of you that is too. And so you don't know that there's a vibrational relationship between you and you. And so you don't know why you feel the way you do. Under those conditions, there's not much joy because everything feels random. You feel like a cork that's bobbing about on the ocean, where there's some other force that is controlling what happens to you. But when you get this basic understanding under your belt, and you understand that this is a vibrational universe and that you can read vibration with your solar plexus, and that as you practice the reading and you deliberately contour the way you feel by the choosing of thoughts, and then you notice that your alignment is more and more because you feel better and better, and then you notice everything that comes with that, you just can't help but feel joyful in that. And you can reach a place where no matter where you stand in the spectrum of your own creation, in other words, you could really want something and have no idea how it's going to come, when it's going to come, where it's going to come from, who's going to bring it. You don't know what the cooperative components are. You've only birthed the idea of it, but you believe in the laws of the universe. And most important, you believe in your worthiness to receive. As you stand in that place, then it's joy all around. Then it's just being surprised and delighted at every turn, because there is no ending to the fun that Source can have, or the clarity that Source can deliver, or the timing. Talk about the cosmic timing of the universe. In other words, to be in this physical body and holding this knowledge, and then just sifting through the details of it and coming to your own personal preferences, and then watching the entire universe cooperate to deliver to you the precision of the personal details that you have honed out of all of this. It's way fun. It's way fun. And it's what the ultimate feeling of worthiness is. Because how could I be this human standing in physical form with billions of others banging around? And how could I be so special that I have only to identify a desire about something and all kinds of unseen forces come into being in order to highlight for me the path that I'm looking for? That's fun, and that's why.
Thank you.